Where is the place of your dreams? Where can you imagine living by the sea? Close to nature and to the city as well. With your choice of transport. A modern office. Close to everything. With your favorite pastimes just a moment away. Where is the place of your dreams? Welcome to the heart of the Orient. Welcome to Qatar. Come and be our guest. Doha, the capital city, brings everything together. This city sets standards. Doha links Europe, Asia and the Middle East. A meeting point of many nations, where tradition meets modernity. The home of the future. Lusail, a grand design of urban development takes shape. Join us on the way to a new visionary city. A maritime city full of creativity along an endless chain of beaches. Lusail is going to be the ideal city for everybody who is searching for comprehension and quality of life. A new quality of living and a new quality of mobility. This implies a completely redesigned traffic system, efficient and safe, with short commutes in a pleasant atmosphere. Fusing together centuries-old urban development experience with modern technology into a smart city concept. An underground passable supply and disposal system is the second network of the city, invisible, unnoticed in the background. Maintenance and construction sites, energy, water, air conditioning technology and disposal, you will not notice anything of it. Be our guest, or stay forever. Our promise, an urban identity based on a clear concept. Functional and emotional. Lusail is authentic. Lusail will take care of your children's needs and your health. Whether it's a new home for your family or the business opportunities that Qatar has to offer, we are realizing the dream of a city. A city for living your fullest life for everybody. A harmony of tradition and modernity, providing living environments for many completely different people. Here, you are close to your goals as never before. Welcome to the heart of the Orient. Welcome to Lusail. Imagine a new quality of life. Imagine marinas and waterways, a smooth flow of traffic. Imagine architecture that works, a sustainable design of technology. Enjoy all options of living and mobility. Discover the key to work-life balance. a cosmopolitan city. Your place to live. We are realizing a dream for us and for generations to come.